Hi guys, John Fox from Global Magic Shop. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe and hit the notification button. It really does help and it doesn't cost anything. I'd also like to thank guys, this was another exclusive that we had to Global Magic Shop, which was EXT'HAND. We've only got a few units left. Check the trailer out below, and I also did a review on it. You're gonna love it. But today's review is DreamBox by JOTA. Let's cut to the trailer right now.
Imagine a gift box with multiple activities for the spectator to choose that allows you to predict a surreal experience that will be unique and unrepeatable. Let's see how it works. To start with, give the spectator a pass that will help them to live the whole experience. Then you take out the different activities and you show two options of places in the world to enjoy a dinner from which they will have to choose only one. Then you do the same, but with 3 famous music bands that will play during the night. After that, they will choose between 2 delicious drink options. And finally, which celebrity they would enjoy the evening with and with whom they would take an unforgettable selfie. At this point, the chosen experience is unique and it would seem impossible to predict. But now the impossible becomes possible. You ask them to take out the pass and feel that there was something inside it. You clearly take a folded voucher and slowly reveal that it matches step by step with each choice they have made. And the most shocking part, it is completely printed. No matter what they choose, the experience will be unique and unrepeatable, and you will be able to predict it. Give away a surreal gift. Give away a full, extraordinary experience. Give away DreamBox.
Hi guys, so that was the trailer for DreamBox by JOTA. I hope I'm pronouncing his name correctly. So again, this is the box and you get everything that's required in the box. This is a really cool trick and I actually like this a lot. So as you've seen by the trailer, I'll just go over quickly what the effect is. You show them multiple cards and you give them, they can pick a place, a band, a drink, and then any celebrity that's on these cards. And there is no force, guys. They're literally thinking of one of these cards. Then before that, you hand the lanyard to a spectator that they've got this around their neck the whole time whilst you then ask these questions. And of course, at the end, inside that lanyard that they've had wrapped around their neck is the place that they named, the band, the drink, and then you turn the paper around and it's their celebrity. It's very strong. The method is very good, very solid. You won't be, guys, the price on this is pretty reasonable. It's a good solid trick. He does say you could use it close up. I'm a bit reluctant to probably use it close up. I'm not saying you couldn't with audience management, but I definitely think this is sort of a parlor stage, if not a little bit set back. You wouldn't want to do it walk around, obviously, but yeah, it's a cool trick. Now the instructions, there's a part 1 and part 2 of the online instructions that you get, and they're both around 17 minutes, and it's JOTA himself actually going through and doing all the teaching and instruction, and he's extremely clear in what to do and how to do it. There is a bit of preparation work, but it's extremely easy, and obviously once the preparation work is done, it's done forever. And he's also, I mean, you can tell that he's worked this as well, guys, by he's giving you points to prevent certain things from happening so that they don't happen to you, which is always a good sign that the guy's gone out and worked it and ironed the problems out to save you actually having these problems. Very, very strong. It's easy to do. I like it. Obviously, I'm not going to use this all the time, but you know, there is something with, so the method is very clever, like I say. Now, if we were to think outside of the box here for a second, you could actually use this very method for trade shows and things like that, and actually change this slightly. And I think that's where the real value is. I think I'm not taking anything away from the effect. The effect is very strong. But for me, what I'm going to take from this is the method, and then I'm probably going to jazz it up a little bit and make it very custom to my clients. So that's my honest opinion and my thoughts on DreamBox. I like it. I think it's great. Until next time, guys, I'm Jonathan Fox from Global Magic Shop. Stay safe and bye for now. See ya.